Hi everybody, and welcome to the channel. It's me, Paul, guys, and we're gonna review, guys. This roller coaster called the Ferrari World Roller Coasters from Steed, and this is located in Abu Dhabi. All right, guys, this is first time for me to try to get a ride with a Ferrari roller coaster. So I love Ferraris, guys. I love how fast they can go. I like the armor, the looks, and how speed they are. But for that, how an experience in a roller coaster, that's something that I really gotta look into. So let's go ahead, guys, and check on this. I'm gonna put on my headphone to share my experience with you. All right, let's get on this babe. Let's see how fast it can go. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, guys, are you ready? All right, the ride gonna take a few minutes. Stay here approximately more than 4 minutes. So let's go ahead and check out and look into this. Whoa! Here we go! Wow, it goes really fast, man. Whoa, look at that dive. Whoa! It's really speed. Really fast. Oh, it's climbing again. Oh, it's going sideways. Oh, man. Oh, it's shifting again. Yeah, oh my God, this one is really twisting. Oh yeah. Oh, this is fun. I like this one. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, you're going everywhere. Now you're going sideways again. Oh! This is so fun. Oh my God, going upside down. Again, back to normal. Oh, this one was cool. Oh yeah, this second one, I like it. That was tight. Now they go for the third ride. Ride number 3. Oh, look at that. Where he's going. Back and forth? What? Is that it? Boy, that was a short ride, I must say. Alright. So far, we went riding 3. This will be number 4. Alright. Oh yeah. This is straight all the way. Look how they go. All right. This is fun, definitely. All right. So in total, it was around, I believe it was like 4 rides in one video, 4 different rides from Abu Dhabi roller coaster in one video. So I find them all pretty good. What I think I enjoyed most, let's see, the second ride and the third ride. Yeah, it was pretty cool. The second ride, I found it very crazy. It goes all the way up and down. It took a lot of different turns. Wow, it was really fast, man. So it was awesome. It was awesome, really. But I feel I feel safe, even though I'm not there. I feel all the rides feel very safe and very fun. And I think this is what is most important thing when you're riding on roller coaster. About safety comes first. Make it short and make it sweet and make it fun. So it was short and sweet and great. So I like all the rides, but to prefer, I like most the second ride and the third ride. Very, very good ride. Man, that was fun. Really, really, really fun, man. So much fun out there, guys, that you gotta go out, bring your family, enjoy time. This is awesome. And I think you will enjoy these rides because they feel pretty safe. You can feel it safe. You can see that all the family will enjoy this. Really, really. But I noticed that there is some ride, like for example, the third and the fourth ride, it wasn't twisting, going upside down too much. It was more like a straight ride. So I think you will enjoy those who are afraid of roller coaster. Maybe you should try maybe 3 and number 4. Definitely. All right, guys. I hope you guys like my review for the Ferrari World Roller Coaster from Abu Dhabi. And I'll see you on my next video. Take care.